Most contracts in India are not drafted clause by clause. They are drafted like terms written one after the other, quickly, mechanically, or often without much thought. This practice works until it doesn't. Most people don't care about clauses at all, not while signing the contract, not while negotiating it, and also not while closing the deal. Clauses only matter when something goes wrong, when payments stop, when termination is triggered, when a notice is sent, or when a dispute begins. That's when people suddenly realize that they never really understood what they have signed, what they have drafted, or what those words present in the contract actually mean in practice. This is where most contract drafting education fails. Law school teaches you what a contract is. Templates show you what a contract looks like. But very few people teach you how a contract fails in real life and why a badly drafted clause becomes a problem later. Because when disputes arise, intentions stop mattering and explanations stop helping. What remains is the language you have on the paper. At the first brief, we are starting a practical series called Drafting for Disputes: How Contracts Actually Work. This series is not about definitions, it is not about memorizing clauses, and it is definitely not about copying templates. This series is about understanding what happens to a contract when it is tested in a dispute. In this series, we will talk about why most contracts fail in practice, common drafting mistakes people make without realizing them, how small words change legal risk, how courts read contract language, why clauses matter when a dispute arises, and how people should actually think while drafting, not just copying. This series is for law students, junior lawyers, or anyone who drafts and reviews contract, especially those who have felt confused when a draft comes back heavily marked, or a contract on which they have worked later becomes a dispute. We will start with basics, we will move slowly, and we will stay practical. Not to make you perfect, but to make you aware. Because awareness is what prevents a bad drafting from becoming a future problem. The lessons start this Sunday.